feeling better?
Yeah, I had a good sleep.
Good.
Yeah. It's pretty out there. Would you like a coffee?
Yes. Yes, please. It snowed last night. That's cool. We're gonna head out from this spot today and go to Smith Rock. Explore that and head on to Bend or something like that.
Yeah, I think.
So in this area, there's lots of this oak, and I cut it up in small pieces, and it burns amazing. Just makes these really hot little coals, and it's been keeping us warm for the last 3 days. It's great.
Mm-hmm.
What you doing?
I lost a sandal. Just letting the heat out, that's all.
Thanks.
I take too long opening and closing the door.
Yeah, you do.
Toxic trait.
No good.
I'm sorry.
All right, we're ready to go. You ready to go, Meg? She's behind the van feeding. Got those big old mud tires. Big old mud tires. That's what's called.
Without tents or cover. Bivouac.
Well, yeah, we made it to Smith Rock State Park. We're gonna go explore a little bit. It's very cold.
Yeah.
And now I'm sick, so.
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors, lost within a haze. Don't rely on others.
What are your impressions so far?
Should we become rock climbers?
Yeah, I think so. Those guys over there look pretty cool. I've definitely felt like this before, that I'm missing out not being a climber. I think Meg's feeling that too.
Yeah, for sure.
But in my defense, the one reason I don't take a whole bunch of sports stuff with me is because space, and I don't like keeping track of stuff.
Should we replace the chainsaw with rock climbing ropes?
No, definitely not. The chainsaw is the key to warmth.
There's too many voices talking back at me. There are a lot of choices waiting to be made. Too many choices making me afraid. Dreams are the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Not take this anymore.
Oh, goodness.
And back to our regular scheduled programming.
Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. A certain shade of blue, but always remind me of you. Trying to figure out.
Are we lost now?
We're not lost. We just didn't map out a route.
Oh.
And so now we
Now we must turn back.
have walked for too long and maybe don't have enough time to finish this trail.
Yeah. We should just climb up there. What do you think?
Oh,
Base jump off the top.
I'm not sure about that.
Oh, come on.
Oh, I don't know.
So this guy here is photographing the guy climbing. There's a job for you. Cool. Yeah, totally.
Uneducated tourists that have their national park pass.
That's us. Well, looks like we've made it back home after our little excursion into Smith Rock State Park. What a beautiful place. We're probably going to be back. Right?
In the morning, he looks different.
Cannot take this anymore. Cannot take this